torquey, but I think because they're loose, it already has premature wear. So your clutch is like worn down. For no reason. Because everyone uses the stock spec, which is 19 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
And if you worked on these cars before, you know that 19 foot-pounds is not enough. You have to do like 25. It's just a bad spec on Honda's part. I gotta wait for that fucking other one to catch somewhere. That's good. That one was loose. That was good. Maybe it's just that one that was loose. But this is still wrong. That's why I was asking you if this flywheel is was new.
Yeah, the flywheel and the clutch is new from Exetti.
Just take them off. Yeah, see, they're coming off really easy. It's too easy. This is on the low set. Oh shit. That's why. Look at that. That's not supposed to come out.
What is that?
That's a bushing. That's supposed to go in here. That's why the fucking tranny didn't want to come out. That was like fucking flying around in there. I wonder if it was like fucking... Yeah, look, it was like flying around the clutch. See, the spring's all shiny. Yeah, look, your clutch is gone already. This is no good. I'd replace that already. It's all fucking gone because they fucking didn't torque it right. They could easily blame this on your driving, but I mean, this is just because those fucking bolts were not tight, dude. This is already gone. It's too flat. This side's okay. This side's really bad.
And it's got 10,000 miles on the clutch, a brand new clutch and flywheel.
Listen to it. Oh yeah, look. Feel these grooves. You can feel them with your finger. It's not supposed to be like that.
Oh shit, hell yeah.
It's fucked up. The flywheel's okay. Like the flywheel looks pretty. Oh, yeah, the flywheel looks like these stories. You can still rock the flywheel. trash.
They're one-time use?
Yep. And you reuse them. I'm getting scared. Shit in here. Metal. Dirty. Bring this back right here. Wow. That's not supposed to happen. Synchrotech. Oh, it's fine. For now. You have any problems with fourth gear? Looks fine.
No, fourth gear's good.
I saw in your video you were like, you had the car on, you're trying to put it in gear.
Yeah.
Don't do that. That's super bad for the training. You're not supposed to do that.
Okay.
Like, even though it was letting you go in, it's not.
It's supposed to not let you go in.
Yeah,
Right?
no, not really. It'll still let you go in. You just made it worse by continuously putting it in there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's not good. Oh yeah, that is fucked. So all the teeth are fucking gone. Now, yep. Synchrotech. No more. This one's wearing off too, look at that. And what do you think they're going to tell you? Oh, no problem, we'll replace them for free, we'll warranty them. Would you want to put their fucking synchros back in there? Look at that shit. That wasn't the shop's fault. This was not the shop's fault. This is just a piece of shit synchro. And this gear's fucked. You got
What gear is that?
third gear, but the OEM one comes with the new one, so you don't have to worry about that. That's the wrong bearing too.
Synchrotech.
That's outdated bearing.
What bearing is this?
That is a 06 to 07, or no, 08 bearing. You want the 09 one in there, it's a lot stronger. You want to see what a regular one looks like?
What does it look like?
Okay, look. So, here, we'll get the shitty Synchrotech one over there. Well, this is a Synchrotech. What, 10,000 miles?
10,000 miles.
See? This is how it's supposed to look, and this is how this one looks now. And I've seen this happen more than once. This one's still okay. This one is missing a shitload of material. See that? And you can see it rubbed off on the metal part of it right here. It's all fucked up. Garbage. Use OEM.